Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Alex, TechReviewer7 here, and today I'm going to be doing another review on AppStoreReviewer's channel. So I'd like to thank John for giving me this opportunity to post yet another review on his channel. So let's get into the review. We are going to be taking a look at Photo Delight, which costs $1.99 in the App Store. So as you can see, when you first come up, you have this nice looking easel with a picture right in the center. First of all, you have your information button down in the left hand corner down there. Gives you a little about, more, how to do stuff, what stuff is for, such as what is mask and what is it used for, and then it has the credits, but no one really looks at that stuff. So first of all, I'll go over the side and then I'll demonstrate what the app is for. First, you have new, so you can take any picture that you have in your iPad, any saved picture, and add it into there. I'm going to add the same one that I have. And once you add it in, no matter if it's color or black and white, if it's black and white, it's going to stay black and white. If it's color, it's going to change the picture into black and white, and I will tell you why. You have your mask button, which I'll tell you about in a little bit. Colorize, erase, undo, brush, where you can pick the size, the opacity, and the properties. And then you have different options, such as you have sessions where you can go in, and if you didn't save a picture, you can still go look at all the different pictures. And you also have save session, save photo, print, because now you can wirelessly print from the iPad, share, mail photo, showcase on Global Delight, and copy to clipboard. Also in the new tab, you have the option to go to Facebook and take pictures from Facebook and put them in here, which is a really cool feature. So basically what Colorize is takes a color photo, turns it black and white, and gives you the opportunity to focus on certain subjects in the picture and bring out the color in them while leaving other things black and white. So first of all, we're going to go and take a look at this picture. What you do is you click Colorize, and you can select which part of the picture you would like to colorize and bring out the original color in it. So first of all, I'm going to go to the waterfall because that seems kind of important. So as you can see, I'm going up and down, and it's adding color, which makes it pop, right, because the rest of the picture is black and white. And this is where the brush function comes in. You can make it hard, so like completely solid, or soft, which means it's a little bit lighter and softer on the edges. And you can change the opacity, which gets really good when you're going into detail around a subject, and brush size, which is also very key. If you're using this app and you have a stylus, that is going to help you a great deal. So if you do have a stylus, I suggest you go ahead and use that. And let's see, maybe if I just add a dash of color here, that might look cool. And maybe some down here. And see, the opacity isn't up all the way, and it's soft. So when I color, it's not bringing out all the color right away. You have to kind of scrub over one area. If I were to just, here, I'll undo this. Let's see. Well, I'll just erase it. This is where the erasing comes in. I'll just erase this, make it black and white. When you erase, it makes the picture black and white again. If I were to just have hard and the opacity all the way up, and I were to go over this, it would be the complete true color, as you can see. Just like that. Looks kind of nice, but I'm wondering if I missed any spots. This is where the mask comes in. You can click mask and all the colors show up in red, so wow, you can really notice the spots you missed. So say you're trying to get around a subject, it's great because you can just fill in all the areas that you ended up missing. I loaded up a picture which I actually made in this application earlier, and it's of LeBron James about to dunk. And as you can see, I made the focus point on LeBron because I made him black and white, and I made the rest of the picture back in color. And how I did this was, you can zoom in and get a lot more in detail, which is also a great feature of this. And what I basically did was I colored generally around the body, and then you put the mask on. You can see the spots you miss and the spots where you don't want colored. I really like this app for $1.99. It's one of the few iPad apps that I've actually can see myself using in the future for fun. You can do a lot of great things with this, do a lot of artistic stuff if you're creative. I'm not that creative, so I probably didn't do that good of a job at these pictures. But it is a very, very good app for only $1.99, and I definitely suggest you go pick it up in the App Store. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.